Like, I started eating these and my big belly is all gone. I'm losing so much of my belly fat and no more bloating, constipation. Like, this is so healthy, nutrient dense, and will facilitate digestion, improve your digestion, and help you lose that belly fat, and will leave in nutrients into your system as well. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I use is orange. Oranges help to soften your stool. They soften your tummy. That way you easily like metabolize and pass out waste in your system, bad stuffs making you gain that belly fat, or having you constipated and bloated all the time, and you easily pass out everything and lose that belly fat like so fast. So what you need is one orange, and you see, you want to peel, take out the seeds, everything, and slice up into your desired sizes. Everything with the fiber, not just the juice. Like, you slice up like you see me doing. This is so good. You are doubling up to load up on nutrients from the oranges, because oranges contain vitamin C, a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals you need for the proper functioning of your system. Like, this is so healthy. You get to eat and still lose weight, nourish your system with nutrients and lose weight, and belly fat most especially. So this is it. Slice up and you're good to go. One orange and you slice and set aside. This is a way of having your balanced diet, because you get everything from here, and I'll tell you why. The next very powerful ingredient I add is papaya. So this is papaya, just like half a cup of papaya once you slice. So what you want to do is to slice up your papaya. Papaya helps to soften your stool as well, soften your tummy. That way you easily pass out all this waste accumulated in your system, making you have that big belly all the time, that constipated, bloated big belly, and you lose that belly fat. And once you pass out the waste from your system, your belly automatically goes down. Most people suffer from constipation, and when you do that, you always end up with a big tummy. So this is what you want to do. Slice up into choppable slices, like, so little tiny sizes, I mean. So this is it. Papayas are equally loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E, a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals you need. Vitamin A, like, you need for beautiful healthy skin, ageless glowing skin, soften your tummy. Like, there are so many benefits with this recipe I'm sharing with you today. So you want to slice up your papaya like into choppable slices, as I mentioned, and you're good. You will love this, plus it is so yummy. Like, this is a way of eating, nourishing your system with the right meals. So this is it. You set that aside. The next thing is chia seeds. So chia seeds are very good because they equally help to boost digestion. They contain high amounts of dietary fiber. Like, this is dietary fiber. It fills you up while boosting your system to burn fat, boosting your metabolism. You need dietary fiber if you're looking to burn your belly fat or lose some calories. And this is like 90% dietary fiber that you need. So this is it, and you want to measure some and put in your bowl. We'll be making the stuff in. So that is a quarter cup of chia seed, or you can use half, if half a cup, a quarter cup or half a cup. If you want it really thick, you can use half a cup of chia seed, but this is a quarter cup. And I'll be adding in 1 cup of any nut milk of your choice, like almond milk, coconut milk, any nut milk of your choice. You can add it in there. That is so healthy, and it helps you easily burn fats, because healthy fats from the nuts, the omega fatty acids, help to you burn fats. So that is it. 1 cup of the milk in there. Next very powerful ingredient I add is cinnamon powder. This is so powerful. Cinnamon powder equally helps to boost your metabolism, cleanse your inner system, flushing all the waste, bacteria, bad stuff, slowing down your metabolism, and you get so active with a clean system and a very healthy system from the inside. So what you need is half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You measure and put in your stuff. So half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder you add in there. Now you want to add in a little bit of honey, to give your meal a taste. some beautiful taste. Like, this is optional, all left to you. You can do it like, but I always add a tiny little bit of honey just to make it so nice. So just so you know, the chia seed rises. So it rises once you soak it in water or like in the milk, it rises it up. So like, this is it. You want to mix so well, and you go ahead and add in your fruits in there. This is, when I say this is heavenly, this is so yum yum, so yum yum. And papayas and oranges are good at have helping you with digestion, helping you that way nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. Plus they leave your system with a lot of nutrients. Like, this is so rich, this is so rich and healthy. So this is it. You want to mix up. I always like to refrigerate, because when you eat it kind of a little bit cool, I keep it in the refrigerator for like 1 hour before I eat. It tastes even fresher and better. So, and it thickens it up somehow. So this is it. After 1 hour in my refrigerator, you can eat it without storing in the refrigerator, that is fine. But after 1 hour, it refreshes the whole thing and makes it so yummy. So this is it, and voila. Try this and you will tell me, you will testify. This will improve your digestion, help you with your bloated big tummy, help you to lose your belly fat, help you lose some calories, will fill you up. A very healthy meal alternative to go for rather than junk food. This is so healthy, you want to go for. And trust me, you want to do this alongside water as well, because without water, that is why you are constipated and bloated in the first place, because you don't drink water. Water is what helps you with digestion. I keep saying this over and over and over from my knowledge from holistic health. Water is the key to helping you with digestion. That way, no food even stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. No food stores up without digesting, making you bloated with a big tummy. Your tummy is always down if you make sure you're drinking your water. Never substitute your water with anything. Water is water, and there is no substitute for water, whether it is coffee or whatever. They all have their different functions, but water is unique. You can make flavored water. I've shared so many recipes here that can make water fun, so you make sure you are consuming your 2 liters of water a day. Like, these are the recipes I go for. And if you follow me on Instagram, for people who say they don't know me, they don't see me all the time, for now, I have pictures I put on Instagram all the time. If you visit my page, you see me. This is me. My tummy is always down. I have recent pictures on Instagram, and those who follow me, they see my developments every day. These are the recipes I go for to maintain a healthy body size, lose my belly fat, and stay in shape. So you want to share this video with your friends, your family, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.